Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Sightless Living. If this is your first time here, my name is Anita.
Big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2024. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
Today we are making stuffed eggs Jamaican style. This is my spouse's recipe. This is a great way to get a punch of protein in every bite. This is great for breakfast or a midday snack, or even hors d'oeuvres. Come along and see what I'm talking about.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
First, place your eggs in water and bring them to a boil. I took the top off so it wouldn't give a rolling boil so you could see the eggs. The recipe calls for 4 eggs. I'm doing 3. Eggs are about 70 calories and I don't like a lot of cholesterol. You saw the eggs over on the stove. Now I have the ingredients which I put in here one by one. Tried to sit them separately. I hope I didn't sit them on top of each other. But now I'm going to mix it and smash up my egg yolks. I got mustard in here, dry mustard, ketchup, mayo. And I'll show you my ingredients. I'm just going to smash them. First, I did the dry ingredients, and then we did the cold ingredients. I have the dry ingredients sitting on the table, so I can tell you what I used. The ketchup, which is red in here, and the mayo, which is white, was put back in the fridge. I don't like to leave cold items sitting out for long. I'm going to set my ingredients to the side a moment so I can show you what I used. I used a teaspoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. So that's what I did with this. I left the mayo and the ketchup in the fridge because it's chilled. I don't want it to get warm. Then on this side, these are my pinch ingredients. I use my pinch measuring spoon. I put a pinch of black pepper, Lorry seasonal. There's the pepper, there's the seasonal. Then I grab some Jamaican allspice. I'm spinning the bottle around so you can see what that is. You can find all of these in your grocer, depending on what your store carries. I put some ground mustard in here. I put some granulated garlic. This is McCormick's in an Aldi bottle. And then the magic ingredients, 2 fillets of sardines. And I only made this for 3 eggs because this stuff is rich. So I wanted to show this recipe to someone who was asking. So I'm just smashing it all together. Then I'll taste it and season it to taste. I may want more sardines. It depends on you. It's not etched in stone. My spouse changes it when he feels like it. It's his recipe. It's nutritious. It gives you a punch of protein because you have your egg, you have your sardine. And then what I do is take the egg halves, which I cut in half to remove the yolks to add in here, and then I just spoon it back into the egg. And that's all there is to it. I will show you the finished product in just a second. Here is the finished product. Stuffed eggs with lightly smoked sardines, garnished with paprika. I ended up putting 4 sardine fillets in after tasting it. And I forgot to mention it had a scallion stalk. You know, scallions have the root at the end and then they have several green leaves like grass. I took one off. I did not use the entire scallion. You could use onion. You could put garlic in there. This was his Jamaican style. And if you're American, you may want to put celery. It's up to you. Basically, it's like a deviled egg with sardines. It's very nutritious and it's delicious. That will do it for this video. Bon appetit! Make sure you're subscribed so you can join me for another recipe. Have a great day. Bye.
Rolling credits appear in big bold white text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, mountain stream video, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.